Hey everybody, this is Intuitive Anthony for the Blessed and Chosen channel. To all those who sent me donations, I did not block or remove anybody's messages, especially from the people in the UK. Thank you so much. I got the battery. I went to the food pantry and I had a driver who actually drove me by to pick up the battery. Put the battery in to the car. So that's about $4,000 on this car. The mounts are in there, so I don't have to worry about the transmission falling out. Batteries in there. If anybody has any idea what this could be, message me, guys. It's not catching. It's not catching. Battery's good, and I had them check it. Everything's fine. There's something else going on. So, guys, this is Intuitive Anthony for the Blessed and Chosen channel. Still trying to figure out what this is. If there's any mechanics out there, this is a 2006 Saturn Ion 2.4 liter, and it's turning over. It's just not catching, and I don't know what it could be, guys. Please message me and let me know. I'm praying there's nothing more, because I have no more money. I got donations to get the battery, and thank you to everybody. But I need to find out what it is, because I really need to get this car going, guys. So any advice, any help, any ideas, because then at the end of this month, me and my dogs will be homeless. And I can't even stay in the car because it won't move. So, oh yeah, and I went to the storage shed. The people that I paid to put it in there stole the TV, the bed. So I'm sleeping on a mattress on the floor. I went to the food pantry and got food. And now I'm trying to get this car working, because at least I could DoorDash or Uber to make money and actually, have income coming in, so that I won't be caught unawares at the end of the month. But guys, this is Intuitive Anthony for the Blessed and Chosen channel. Let me know what you think, guys. If anybody out there knows a mechanic and can hear it one more time, please let me know, guys. Talk to you later. Stay blessed.